What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Marz. If you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and share. Today, we're just hanging out, friends and I. One of my friends came back from New York. He's over here laughing because I'm fucking vlogging. Fucking bitch. But we're gonna head to my friend Kyle's house, and then we're gonna head to the car wash. I'm gonna show y'all my friend's build, and then yeah, we'll go from there.
Yeah, misled head, I never break. Won't fall, my nigga, I slip not.
Got that ugly, slow daily. We got my boy EK Davi.
I got the Segway on deck. Hold up.
Go ahead, turn that shit on, man. Don't burn up. Shows 4-door. Y'all don't want to see what's under the hood, though. Man, y'all want to see what's under the hood. Nah, y'all don't want to see. They don't want to see it?
Nah, they don't want to see no bush.
We ain't going to show y'all, but I'll show y'all this. Man, what's that, man? That's a nitrous buck. That's you, man. That's you? That's you?
I rented it.
You got a single cam under the hood or what?
It's a show. Whoa, bro, what's under the hood right here, bro? I think the case here.
Man, open the hood. Right.
I couldn't.
Ta! Where we at, Melvin?
Yo!
Where we at, Melvin?
About to get nasty up in this motherfucker.
Got to. Ta!
That shit up, bro.
Now let me hear the blow off real quick, man.
That shit's still over.
Right.
They're still over here.
Nah, you gotta fade him now. You gotta fade him, bro. You gotta fade him. He ain't bring it. You gotta fade him. Must be nice. Must be nice. Must be nice. Who else pulled up? Twin! Man, what's going on, man? What's going on? My boy pulled up. Come on, Munoz. Where are we going?
I don't know, bro.
The car wash.
What we doing, bro?
Aw, shit.
My boys open.
Doing some runs on the street. Hey, Melvin, look, Melvin. Ah, shit. Nigga got behind me. Never, my friend, never. Pull up to the car wash real quick. We 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 deep. Okay. Look how low this shit is. That shit is on the ground. Beautiful.
Brooklyn.
Pussy got that wet, got that drip, got that super soak. I hit that, she a fifi, honey, Kiki, she eat my dick like it's free. I don't even know like why I did that. I don't even know like why I hit that. All I know is that I just can't wipe that. Talk to her nice so she won't fight back. Turn around, hit it for the back. Bet her down, then I make it clap. I don't really want no friends. I don't really want no funds, no. Draco got that kickback when I blow that. They all do track, they don't shoot back. One shot, close range, red I had tie. Yeah, I did that, yeah, I lived that. Call a Uber with my shooter, with a Ruger. We gon' do your niggas say they killing people, but I really fucking do it. I don't really want no friends. I don't really want no funds, no.
He tryna 69 like Takashi.
1, 2, 3. Look at the papers. That's 2 pigs right there chilling. Oh, boy, about to. They mad. Do it again. Man, whose car that is? Yo.
That's for sale, man.
Really?
It's for sale, the car.
How much?
Ask him.
Yeah. Hey, how much you want for the Z, man? This nigga.
Come on.
Must be nice, right?
Really?
What's boost?
Really? What's boost, bro? What's
Must be
boost?
nice. Let me get that boost, man. Let me hear it one more time. And the cops are over there, but fuck them. Quick stop at Wendy's. Yeah, quick stop at Wendy's. You already know. Got to eat real quick. Go to Wendy's, dude.
Go to the I don't give a fuck if you gotta pick up your kids, nigga. Go to the fucking Wendy's, dude. Before I turn this whole ride upside down, nigga. You talking to the big blood, nigga. Have my savages run right in this shit right now, nigga. Turn the fucking Wendy's, dude. You already made me late in one of my man's cribs, nigga. My man wave. Does this look like the shit where I could order at? The shit down there. Bugging out. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Why are you screaming?
Because I'm saying hello.
Okay, but you come to the window like you're...
Well, then,
That's disrespectful.
that ain't disrespectful because I ain't even curse.
Anyway, may I help you?
Ain't no anyway, nigga. Yo, for one, you gonna have to see me when you come to the window, so you better have the same energy.
Yeah, whatever.
Suck my dick.
Well, thank you guys for watching. As always, like, subscribe, and share. Peace.
Gang.